Don't try to clip my wings, you'll only waste your time. Because freedom is a bird that'll always fly. And in my darkest hour, the light will always shine. Because help is on its way from warmer climes. What's the price of freedom? You could pay with your life, but hope and love and dreams will never die. And with the changing of the seasons, there'll always be a springtime. Because hope and love and dreams will never die. Hope and love and dreams will never die. Fly, bird of freedom. You are the spirit of the wild, forever nature's child. Fly, bird of freedom. You are an angel in the skies. Spread your wings and let your dreams take flight. When the war is over, we can live our lives again. I'll see you where the wheat fields meet the sun. Sure as daytime follows night, the phoenix from the flames is gonna rise. Sure as peacetime follows war, I can feel calm waters washing over me from distant shores. Now and forevermore. Fly, bird of freedom. You are the spirit of the wild. Heaven cast your wings from nature's fire. Bird of freedom. You are an angel in the skies. Spread your wings and let your dreams take flight.